Hello friends! Warm welcome to this video. How to contact WhatsApp support without wasting time. Ever tried contacting WhatsApp support and ended up going in circles? Today, you will learn the proper methods used by real professionals. Make sure to follow each method fully without skipping any action. Let's begin. Open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, tap on Settings. Scroll down, tap on the Help and Feedback option. Select Help Center option. Now, tap on Contact Us at the bottom. In the text bar, type your issue clearly, for example, "My WhatsApp number is banned without reason. Please review and restore my account." Tap on Send arrow to proceed. Now you know the fastest official ways to contact WhatsApp support without wasting time. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Press the bell icon to get updates on new tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.